Why are you so obsessed with me?
Oh yeah.
Wait.
You know the blue drinks that you're using?
Why? As if they were getting married. She's my friend.
Come on. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's zakiya.ao. No, I'm trying to Hi guys, I'm here today with zakia.ao.
CQIA.
Man.
See your dumb name.
What's a CQIA?
I'm here with Ilham.
Double Y.
Zakia, literally.
AKA Atia.
I'm here with Ilham, I'm here with Zakia, and I'm here with...
The one and only.
Oyin. Oyin.
Hi, double Y.
Oyin's touch. Ooh, I know what you mean right now. A little bit of Oyin's touch. That's gonna be my theme song. My brother's making it.
Really?
I'm being serious.
With the beat and everything.
I keep laughing my face like that.
Wait, your younger brother sings?
Yeah.
Really? How can you put on his song?
I've been naughty, so I had to be alone. She keeps calling up my phone.
Now this is wavy, bro.
Okay, so in today's video, first of all, Oyin's gonna stop popping her gum in my ear.
Thank you.
Yeah. And then we are doing the try not to laugh challenge. So we're gonna do it with the edition where you have water in your mouth and then you face your opponent.
Don't face me.
You'll face your opponent and then you go in their face. Yeah.
If you laugh.
Yo, I'm gonna be pissed. I'm gonna have eyeliner running down my face.
I'm not gonna laugh.
She's
I'm
gonna
not
do it
laugh.
on purpose. Listen, it's you two and
Yeah,
us.
so it's us two
I'm
against
not
you
gonna
two.
be with you two and your dusty mouth.
Yeah.
You two don't be with you. No, I'm
Do you know what? For the sake of it.
No.
You have to. So this is what we're gonna do. So just you guys on the same team, we're on the same team. You guys versus each other. We versus each other. So when you when you two when you two are facing each other, I have to be behind Ilham. You have to be behind Oyin. Like you stand behind her and you make her laugh. I stand behind her. I make her
I'm gonna
laugh.
make her laugh.
You wanna verse Ilham?
Yeah.
Cause you know that I'm not gonna laugh like that.
And she gonna make me laugh. Are you funny though? I don't know if you're funny. Sorry.
Let's just get started. So okay, so you guys, so who's starting first? You sit there. You're in my team. And going first, our bonus team is Oyin. Go on, Oyin, tell us a little bit about yourself. Go for it.
My name's Oyin. They call me Rachel, but I'm in it. I'm in it to win it for my team.
Yes. Now get the back. On. You go first.
Yeah.
And on. Wait. We'll call us team 1 and that's team 2. Yeah. And on team 2, the first opponent is Zakia. Sip it.
At first when I saw the water, I thought, oh, Moon is being polite.
No. Keep it in your mouth, yeah?
Okay.
No, I'm gonna make Zakia laugh because I'm hilarious.
You're not meant to make her laugh.
I'm supposed to make you laugh.
Oh, is it you two make each other laugh? I make you laugh, yeah, and Ilham has to make you laugh.
Zakia, I beg you a lot. Don't. I don't break out.
But wait, they're gonna spit on us too! Oh shit. No. Put the water down.
Swallow that strip.
Why?
More over there. Nah, did you already start the hand and then Girl's going to spit on me.
Yeah, sip it. Wait, ready for stop drinking it!
I'm thirsty here.
Ready for
Round 1.
Okay, go.
Go.
You're already making oil laugh.
Me and Ilham will sit here. You guys face each. I saw that. Yeah. Tag team. I'll punch both of your mouths. Okay, face each other then. All the way. Can't confident you stop. Do it like this.
Oh my god.
You're making us live. So we get one point.
I didn't push you.
You know you're crying.
Her eyes in it, a little red. You got that way.
That's the water, please. Like one of the dirty ones in the hamper.
Carl.
Be careful, you're gonna. need to move.
This challenge is not gonna work. Hold on.
Wait. We did this the wrong way. She's meant to be here. And you're meant to make Oyin laugh. Yeah. And then me and you are meant to face each other. That's what's supposed to happen. And then Oyin makes Ilham laugh. No, Oyin makes you laugh.
Okay, so them two versus each other.
Yeah. So Ilham, you sit down.
So what does that mean? Well, I don't run out of water.
What is wrong with this guy? Pull up. Face each other. Face each other. Okay, how about this? You guys just stare at each other and whoever laughs first loses. Gone. Because
No, stop it! Ilham, button up since you can do it. You can do it. You Oyin. Your hairline is receding. Where's your water? Where's your water?
liar, did you swallow it?
Open your mouth. She swallowed the time ago. I know she did.
Now I swallowed it. Now I need more water.
Oyin, come on, man. Why swallow? She's winning. She's gonna get the first point. Go. No, she didn't spit it out. It's just a little bit. Why don't you understand what you're saying? You have to look at Oyin.
Look at each other.
You're Juliet.
Not today. Not very good combination.
If you put it all over me,
Sorry.
just go along with it, even if it was wrong. What's wrong with you?
Oh,
Saliva, that is nasty.
What? So who has to make who laugh? Hey, Mina, don't laugh yet. Wait. Try not to laugh challenge. Mina's losing. Ew. Make sure whenever she's about to spit, you push her head like that. Mina laugh.
wait, no, it's better like this. So whoever loses from the first round goes to the second person, and then the third one is whoever.
Okay, so you have to sit down again.
You guys versus each other in the next round. The winners versus each other in this round. Whoever wins goes to the next round. Whoever wins out of you two versus each other.
And then whoever wins in total, their whole team wins.
Yeah. It's the most complicated thing. Just bear with us, guys.
82
The rules
and
keep
oh
changing.
my
Round 2.
Block.
Wait, this is round 3 actually.
It's up to you. No,
You need to keep your lips shut.
Wait. If she can talk.
What? Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay. It's just cheating.
Why do you sound like you're crying? Because it's cheating.
No, you did start. That's why she can't make me laugh so
Why?
much.
I know, it's so
It's
wrong.
only supposed to be one person on the camera at a time.
What do you mean?
Like, it's only supposed to be one person.
Oh, well, the whole thing has been
This is Somali version.
We'll just carry on with it.
This is the us version. It's okay.
No, please. Swallow.
No.
This girl has swallowed her own water. She's swallowed it. What's your mouth? Say, No. What's your mouth?
Don't even try it.
No, look at the way her lips are perfectly cut.
Look at her, man. Where's the water? Where's the water? Okay.
Okay, do it. No. You can't. I can't make you laugh. Just
Block me out.
laugh. So everyone take a sip and I'll try and make everyone laugh. The first person to laugh is out. I'm gonna be the clown of the day. No, don't laugh, man. If you laugh this time, it's gonna be the third time. That's embarrassing, bro.
Not gonna, I need more drunk.
No, you know what, yeah? I really think she's cheating, you know?
Ew.
You need to drink some more water. That shit's not enough for you. No, you're not facing each other. Face the camera. So if you destroy that thing, that's your own, bro. Munna wallahi. Quick, fuck out of here, that's my coat. This picture is my coat. This is raccoon fur. God damn.
Let me just swallow mine because we're already lost.
What we got here?
Already
Bye.
lost.
See you later.
Get it.
She's trying to go back.
Yeah.
She's trying to go back for the coat.
Massive the raccoon coat, bro. That's what she died at.
I'm about to get out of the thing.
Yeah.
But I didn't know it was like that, so give me the water.
What is that?
Get out. My girl's very stoned. I got
Guys, we're just making up the rules as we go. Like, I'm pretty sure it's not even. So there's no
Yeah.
forfeit. That's boring.
Wait, who's losing?
Oh, so there's no forfeit neither.
Yeah, I versed her. You know what? It's just because no one is that hilarious. Maybe if I verse Muna.
Calm then.
What's that? Calm down.
Wait, me and Zakia first and then you two.
No, Muna's gonna spit on my face.
You know I am.
Straight.
I'll make sure I do that washing machine. Look at this one. Why are you hanging like hangman? Can you spit out your water, man? Just love to spit it out, man.
Spit it out, man.
Okay, try say a word. Let's see who wins. Say chubby bunny.
Fuck her up.
Say chubby bunny.
Look at her lips.
Oh, God. It's just like a waterfall. She didn't even hesitate with that shit.
Come, Oyin.
Nah, Mina's just gonna.
This whole place needs to be sterilized.
That's it.
You're actually losing.
Wait, Takupija. Go away my face. What the fuck? Go away my face.
It was Swahili, yeah.
What did you say?
Go away my face. Go away my face.
I heard, where's the encyclopedia?
Wait, Takupija.
God damn,
Oh, so
baby
it
girl.
was a different language.
Swahili.
Yeah.
And why do you speak Swahili?
I was
She used
there
to live
for a
there.
year.
Is it?
Not Swahili. What's the country?
Kenya.
What's the country?
She can't even keep a straight face. I'm drinking rum and Red Bull. That's it. Do it. Let's do it. Period. I'm period. What? No way, Jose.
What is going on?
She's saying get closer. She's saying I don't want to.
Oyin.
was directing it this way, then I said, why not?
After all that,
After that shower,
my makeup went
The
from black
only
to green.
person that made me laugh was Moona, and that was.
You guys looked at each other.
thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Is that like straight? The camera rudely cut us off earlier because it died. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video.
Comment, subscribe.
Yes, don't forget to give it a like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to turn the post notifications on. Don't forget to subscribe to Zakiya's channel. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. Shall I put your link in there?
Yeah.
I'm going to put Ilham's link in there, and I'm going to put Oyin's YouTube and not YouTube, her Instagram and everything in the description as well. Make sure you follow them all.
Because we're lit. Do you know what I mean?
Do you know, it reminds me of, what's that song by Billie Eilish?
Oh, do you know?
What? On Zakiya's channel, we did
Who's most likely
to, which was very funny. So you guys should go check that out. I'll leave the description. I'll leave the link in the description.
Down below.
Yeah, I'm just
Came
saying
from the
something
bottom.
again.
Down below.
Oh shit! Sorry. Oh, you want to do it?
Yeah, get. I'm still here.
You gave it to me. You gave it to me.
Give it to me. You know what it is.
Just bring
Why
one
do they
table.
sit on here and we?
Because these are new tables. If they break,
Either way, we're at the same
If
level.
they
What's the point?
if they break, no, it don't matter. Just get wet. Like, why you scared?
They scared.
We're for the streets.
You belong to the streets.
Wait, did you post that on your stories, Zakia?
She's not amused. It's like we're begging for water.
Now you grab a bit more. Is there ice as well? It's kind of.
Mama, hurry up! Why are you giving her some by some? Like,
We're
not running out of water. We're not running out of water. Some by some. Like,
Where's my jacket, please? It's cold. Who am I meant to make laugh? Who's meant to be laughing?
It smells like mint.